Ain't no fucking way I'm going back. I got way too much shit to take care of. And I'm having way too much fun pissing y'all off. It's starting to look real rough out here for y'all. Since the beginning too.
What we doing out here today, boy?
Hey, we're out here filling gas and getting ass, you know?
Getting ass. Who's gonna eat shit first today?
Probably me. Hey, shout out Greg Kramer for letting me use his bike, Yurt. I love you.
Yeah, come on, come on. I ain't going back, Splitting 5 on McDoubles. I ain't going back, When there was no rush, just rustle. I ain't going back, When my pride so much, let the puddle. I ain't going back, But I stay tapped into that hustle. I ain't going back, Splitting 5 on McDoubles. I ain't going back, When there was no rush, just rustle. I ain't going back, When my pride so much, let the puddle. I ain't going back, But I stay tapped into that hustle. I go way harder than most of y'all. One of y'all die when I'm close to y'all. I don't really care to get close to y'all. I live in the gym, I'm supposed to ball. Mom was applying for the food stamps. Every night studio boot camps. All I had then was a lot of free time. She grinding my mind in my 2 hands. And the same confidence that I have right now was more back then, to be honest.
No, fuck. I was gonna video you guys.
Video us?
Yeah.
Why are you gonna video us?
Because I can't ride no more, so I might as well take videos.
You're gonna give a little vlog on yourself.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, Big Dick Billy, what'd you do to yourself?
Yeah, I don't know what happened, but I guess I hit the jump and I got a little sideways and my shoulders are a little sideways now.
You weren't sideways.
Oh, fuck. Fuck, we're gonna sit back down.